Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to C Drama List. Ever since I finished watching The Brightest Star in the Sky, I fell in love with the main lead's chemistry and then I started to watch similar kind of C dramas which involve love in the workplace. So in this video, I will be counting down my top 10 Chinese dramas with boss and employee love story. As always, check the description box for more information about all the C dramas that I'm gonna include in this video. And also do comment below that which C-drama list you want to watch next. Now give this video a like and let's get to it. Number 10. Be With You. A young cartoonist intentionally gets near Ji Yanshin, a cold and arrogant professor. Xinyan, a girl with a straightforward personality, hopes that interacting with Ji Yanshin would give her inspiration and creative materials for her comic plot. Coincidentally, Ji Yanshin's younger brother, Ji Shi, becomes Xinyan's assistant and a catalyst for their relationship to progress and blossom. Number 9. Find Yourself. A love story between an accomplished career woman and a younger man. He Fanxing's company is at risk of being acquired, while her relationship with Yuan Shong faces societal pressures due to their age difference. The consecutive blows in her work and love life push her to an emotional quagmire, and it is during this time that Ye Luming enters her life. Being older in age, he is mature, stable, and knowledgeable. He becomes He Fanxing's life coach and the source of conflict between the couple. For He Fanxing, it's not merely a matter of choosing the man that she loves, but considering the contradictions of adapting the traditional mindset on marriage as well. Number 8. Miss Crow with Mr. Lizard. Gu Xuan is a passion-filled, vibrant young man with his whole life ahead of him, until his life is turned upside down by a sudden traffic accident. He suffers life-threatening injuries to his heart and surgeons are able to save him only by giving him an emergency heart transplant. But when he recovers, he discovers that he is no longer allowed to perform most of the form of exercises. Worse still, the doctors warn him that experiencing strong emotions could also end his life prematurely. He tries to return to the normal life, but the changes he must make to his lifestyle take all the fizz out of his existence. He carefully avoids anything that could raise his heart rate, even if doing so turns him into a shadow of his former self. Things get another turn, however, when a woman named Jiang Xiaoning comes to work at the company he and his friend has set up. Jiang Xiaoning's own backstory is also tinged with sadness. She was orphaned at an early age. Regardless, she is a vertical fond of positivity. Little by little, that positivity starts to rub off on Gu Xuan, but could this bond ever turn romantic in spite of his condition? Number 7. Boss and Me. Big conglomerate president Feng Ting has a younger sister with a very rare blood type who needs a transfusion. He finds an employee at his company named Shui Shanshan and asks her for a blood donation. Afterwards, brother and sister are rather indebted to Sansan, but rather than using Feng Ting's typical method of paying her off, his sister suggests sending a nutritious packed lunches so Sansan can recover from the blood loss and to make the thank you more personal. Sansan loves to eat and her enjoyment of the lunches, along with her general bright and sunny personality, slowly start melting Feng Ting's heart. Number 6. When a snail falls in love, Detective Zibai has to train a new recruit, the criminal profiler Shushu. Although she is great at determining one's thoughts, she doesn't know how to interact well with the people. But that's not the reason why Zibai intends to fire her. She is very talented in the art of profiling, yet lacks in physical ability, running as slowly as a snail. Still, impressed by each other's abilities, the teacher-student pair slowly fall in love in the midst of their investigations. Number 5. Lucky's First Love, or also known as The World Owes Me a First Love. A story about first love and romances from the perspective of three couples in their workplace. It follows an independent young woman brimming with potential who crosses paths with a black-bellied boss. Because of the prosperous meaning behind her name, Xing-yun is recruited by Shaki to work at his gaming company. He is determined and headstrong, a son who refused to take over the family business and choose to make it on his own. In her journey from being a sketch artist to a game designer, she experiences many extremes and jumps many hurdles in dealing with her black-bellied boss. Their continuous bickering brings them closer, and the girl, who has never been in love before, finds that the last hurdle is actually love. Number 4. The Brightest Star in the Sky. Star Entertainment is the top entertainment agency in China. It was set up by a couple, Cheng Tianhao and Du Wanxing, who eventually get separated due to their different beliefs in managing the company. Yang Zhenzhen is an aspiring young girl with a passion for music. She joined Starry Sky Entertainment and was assigned as Zheng Boshu's assistant. Boshu is a popular idol who is arrogant and unruly. With the help of Zhenzhen, who helped him correct his flaws and unleash his potential, Boshu slowly transforms into a talented singer. In the process, Zhenzhen also gains experience and becomes a capable idol manager. At the same time, Du Wanxing is also grooming a singer, Yuzurui, who shapes up to become Boshu's biggest competitor yet. Number 3. My Love, Enlighten Me. A young 22-year-old hopeful and a kind-hearted pop star named Nuan Nuan is forced to reinvent herself after the girl group she is a member of disbands on the night of its debut. Overnight, her dreams come to a halt as she is hit with the harsh reality of her situation. While she struggles in her search for a post-pop career, her life gets intertwined with a man named Han Shi. Han Shi is a successful sound and light engineer who also happens to have an impeccable memory and a cold personality. However, despite his amazing memory, Han Shi misremembers something very important which can later threaten to jeopardize his relationship with Nuan Nuan. Meanwhile, Nuan Nuan, who has always had a keen eye for fashion, begins to explore her love for clothes, hoping to secure a permanent spot at a clothing store's headquarters. Although their relationship is often adversarial, Hanshi and Nuan Nuan also have a growing fondness for one another. Hanshi tries to help Nuan Nuan and she slowly starts to melt his icy heart. But can they withstand it when the past comes to the surface, or will it get in the way of their blooming love? Number 2. My Girlfriend is an Alien. Chen Xiaoxi, who was an alien girl from the Cape Town planet, lost her signal and then had to stay on the earth. She then encountered an overbearing boss named Fang Ling, who was suffering from the disease called rainy weather heterosexual amnesia, and he would forget the females around him. A hilarious and romantic crossover love story since then started. Chen Xiaoxi was not only an alien but also a true-handed witch. Once she inhaled the hormone emitted by the males on the earth, she would fall into a flowery state and meet many funny things after that. In order to survive on the human earth, Chen Xiaoxi used her various superpowers to solve one accident after another. Number 1. Love O2O. Shaunai is a gaming expert who, courtesy of his basketball skills, academic excellence, swimming talent, and game company presidency, also happens to be the most popular student on campus. When he first comes across the gorgeous computer science major, Bei Weiwei, the infinitely talented wonder kid immediately falls in love. But it's not Weiwei's look that he first notices, it is the ridiculous mastery with which she is commanding her guild and owning everyone in an online multiplayer game that makes her impossible to forget. Now, Shaunai must use his skills both in real life and online to capture the adorable but dorky Weiwei's heart. But does their love have the XP to succeed, or will this relationship will never level up? So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like, and yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well, and I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.